In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect apps in Otter 8 AI. If you use Otter to capture meetings and notes, connecting it to your other tools can save time and keep everything in sync. I'll walk you through the flow and point out what to expect along the way so nothing catches you off guard. Start by heading to otter.ai. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left sidebar and open the Integration section. This is your hub for connecting Otter with the services you already rely on. You'll see a catalog of options here, and it's helpful to pause for a second to notice what's available before you choose anything. In this list, you can view popular integrations such as Slack, which is great for sharing transcripts and highlights with your team right where they chat. You'll also see Salesforce, useful for syncing notes to customer records, and HubSpot, which can streamline your handoffs between meetings and your CRM. Zoom appears here as well, letting Otter join your meetings automatically. You'll find Dropbox for convenient file storage and backups, and Google for calendar and collaboration tie-ins. Scanning these options helps you decide what else you might want to connect later. For now, select Microsoft from the list. This is ideal if you use Microsoft 365 for your calendar, contacts, or user profile, and you want Otter to pull in the right meetings and attendees. After choosing Microsoft, click the Add button. This opens the authorization flow in a new tab or pop-up, so make sure your browser allows it to open. You'll be prompted by Microsoft to authenticate. Type in your email and password if needed, then continue. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the prompts. You may see a permissions screen. This is normal and explains what Otter needs, like rated access to calendars or contacts so it can schedule and attribute notes correctly. Review the details, and when everything looks right, click Sign In to confirm. That's it. After you sign in, the connection will finalize and you should see Microsoft listed as connected on the integrations page. From here, Otter can use your Microsoft data to improve scheduling and collaboration while keeping your notes in one place. If a window doesn't open when you click Add, disable any pop-up blockers temporarily and try again. And if you work in a managed environment, confirm that your admin allows this connection. Thanks for watching. With your apps connected, Otter becomes a much more powerful part of your workflow.